Today we're staying at Vdara, and we're staying in a panoramic suite. We got a notice on our phone that our room was ready and that we had a virtual key. We just went straight to the room, used our phone to open the door, and voila. I like the long entryways. It puts a lot of distance between you and whatever noise is out in the hall. The panoramic suite has 15 windows. It has a view on this side, has a view on that side, has a view from the hallway, it has a view from the living room, it has a view from the bedroom, and it has a view from the bathroom. This is like the treehouse that I always wanted.
Will you be my Valentine?
Is this my calendar shot?
It is. Mr. February.
This suite comes with a full-size kitchen. It has everything full-size except for an oven. It has a microwave oven. It has a stovetop. Has a full-size fridge, a dishwasher. Now, of course, they don't keep pots and pans in the cabinets in the room for sanitary reasons. So, if you plan to do any cooking, you just pick up the phone and call downstairs and tell them what you need, and they'll bring it up. It has a washer and dryer. Back to the kitchen, has a very nice dining area with a view. And around the corner we have a nice living area with a view. The sofa is a pull-out in case you have extra guests. Surprisingly comfortable for a pull-out couch. Has a comfortable chair. A large TV. Comfortable couch that is also a pull-out bed in case you have extra guests. The comfortable living area leads us to a very large bedroom with a view. A couple of nightstands. Some interesting lights. A very comfortable king-size bed. Has a large TV. Has a desk area and a sitting area. And beside the bed we have a touchscreen control center. Passing through the large bedroom, we come to a large bathroom with a view. It has a nice view from the modern, very eccentric looking tub. It has a matching his and hers sinks. Has a decent sized closet, robes you can use, slippers, a safe, ironing board. The bathroom also has a large and very elegant walk-in shower. Now the commode area is kind of tucked away a little bit, and because it's tucked away it makes it seem like it should be a separate room. And you may think, well, where's the door? Well, you've got bathroom doors for privacy. And did I mention the view? It gets even better at night. This is a really nice suite, especially if you're planning an extended stay. Thank you for watching our video, and please hit that subscribe button, because we'll be having a lot more videos coming soon.